What's up, this is Luke. I'm back with another one. Today we got a special one. How I used video game mechanics to level up in real life and how you can do it too. If you've played video games like RuneScape, like World of Warcraft, Swords and Sandals and stuff like that, where you gotta level up, you can probably apply what I'm saying to you in this video. First of all, bro, you gotta set up a system of what you want to do. For example, right now, take a piece of paper and a pen and write down what you want to get better at, what you want to level up in. For example, you want to get faster, you want to jump higher, you want to be more charismatic. So you get it, yeah? So after you write these down, you gotta do some research, you gotta learn how you can level up these things. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna take social skills. So right now, maybe you're an introvert, but you want to open up and talk to more people. There's a lot of ways in which you can level up your talking skills, but you know, the main way is just approach people and to indulge in small talk as much as possible. And yeah, at first, you know, it's gonna be really awkward. Maybe you don't know really what to say, but with time, bro, I promise that everything's gonna be possible. You're gonna learn how to you are eventually going to learn how to talk to people. Talk to as many people as possible. Another way that you can really improve your charisma and your talking skills is with books. There's a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. I think it's by Dale Carnegie. And in this book, you can learn a lot of stuff. You can learn how to be more likable. Right now, you establish what you want to level up on, and you also know what you gotta do. Now what you need to do is just go out there and do those things. So look, in video games, you can level up kind of easily. It takes a few hours maybe, but you still gotta grind. The thing is, most people level up in video games and don't level up in real life, because in real life it's much harder. Leveling up in real life will take gradually longer. It will take a lot of time. If you want to level up, you gotta put in years of work, and also it's harder work because you're not sitting in a computer chair all day playing. You're actually doing something that's hard and that's challenging. It's both mentally and physically challenging. Yeah, you know, let's say you want to grow out your strength, you gotta work out like, I don't know, 5 times per week. That's what I do. You gotta have this mindset, like every time you're doing something that's mentally or physically challenging, or both, you're leveling up. So when you got the chance, if you got an opportunity to choose a hard thing to do, choose it. So this is a bonus one, but so look, if you want to track your progress, there are like habit trackers online. I use one, and this helps a bit because it kind of motivates you. This is a thing from the book, I think, Atomic Habits. If you want to make your good habits more enjoyable, every time you do a good habit, you can get on the app and click the check button. Your task is done. By seeing that you've done it and it's checked, you can feel better about yourself. And I've been using an app for a few days actually. It actually helps a bit. When I see all my good habits done, I feel better about myself, to be honest. And yeah, I advise you to try it. Every time you do a good habit, you reward yourself, but don't reward yourself in something that could damage your progress. So look guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button down below. And also, if you want to watch more content like this, I would advise you to subscribe. Yeah, it helps us both. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed.